Are you looking forward to logging into your ADP employee account? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily log in. The very first thing you want to do is move into Safari. Here in the address bar, you need to search for ADP employee login or sign in. Now head over to the very first site, adp.com. It will land you on this official page of ADP. Here you can see it says for employees. From here, choose the specific region or the account that you want to log in. Once you have selected, click on Employee Login. Choose as per your account. Now wait for a while. It will land you on this page where you will be able to log in. Click on Continue. Now enter your user ID of your ADP employee and then click on Next. Now enter the password associated with your account. Once you have entered, tap on Sign In. If your login credentials are correct, then you will be logged in into your ADP employee account. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.